Keyboard District ke East Jaintia Hills kilalit Pynpra no pom ni kinyotli na pedenggi khatwait li ki karkhana kuk ki batre kam beain klem jimbet bat but renti iki kendon yada maryang bat yaki hukum ke yin kashari. Ha ukerwo ling ba ka video balapan ni haga kat saw trik no pra u Deputy Commissioner ke East Jaintia Hills u Shivansh Avasti upintip pagakinhun ke bakantop iki officer bat staff na ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board bat katanat pulin kilalit ben Pynpra no ek nyo na pedenggi khat wei tali ki karkhana ko klem yo jingden ha ka ba ki saw tali ki wei pat la shem bala dep ben Pynpra hi de ki try karkhana baru kidan haduk khat nriu tali ki karkhana ko bala ithu kum ki batre kam bean klem da yo jingben ha ka ba santali ki dei ki bala dep ben Pynpra kham hashwa Keyboard District kila dapan Pak Jingtip syagi kat waitali ki karkhana ki badang sa nadu benai risau arja apsan daka badawa bagi day ban bur renti iki kindon ka bagi day ban yo jingbet bat ka jing itho namar omsham la yok diang ya ka no ko juba kumta ka kinhun kala ya shakman ban let Pynpra no ya kini karkhana ha ka khat lai trik no pra arja apsan ong u avasti kini ki khat real tali ki karkhana ko ki dei ki bala penyeng bean klem da yo ek jingbet kat kum ki kindon balabu ha ki jingpen bana jong sarkar hadien kani ka jinglet Pynpra ha ka sin sa jan balala menta baru kini ki khat wei tali ki karkhana ko ki bamsham la yo jingben kimla ashu ban trekam penthikna u Deputy Commissioner
So as per the directions of Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, joint team under the supervision of SDO Manish Kumar, members from Pollution Control Board and Police Department were given directions to undertake the demolition of all unauthorized coke plants in the district. So in total there were 16 coke plants that were identified who have set up coke plants in the district, but they have not taken necessary authorization as per the norms and criteria as laid down by the government notification. Out of these 16 coke plants, 5 have been demolished earlier. The remaining 11, we had issued a notice to them in the month of October to submit a compliance whether they have obtained necessary permissions for regularization. And since no reply was received from these coke plants, hence as per the directions of Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, the direction was given to these teams to undertake the demolition of these 11 unauthorized coke plants in East Jaintia Hills district. So these teams started their work from Saturday onwards, and as on date they have undertaken the demolition of 7 out of 11 coke plants, and for the remaining 4 coke plants, when they visited their site, they observed that they have already been demolished by the respective owners. So in total all 11 coke plants that were unauthorized are now not in operation.